Dymo is a well-known brand for labeling solutions. Here in Sydney Glass, we are making the consumables that fit in the different types of label printers, and the newer brand is distributing them globally. Over the last 25 years, Dymo made a big transition. It is now a digitized factory with a lot of automation inside. Devoteam played a key role in achieving this digital transformation, as they have all the knowledge about digitization and how all things works, and it was a perfect fit with our knowledge of our production process and processes. We received the Agoria Factory of the Future Award. The digital aspect was very important because it makes the difference between the good companies and the very good ones.
On a daily basis, people were handing out printed out Excel forms to production to give them their orders for the day or for the week. Because of our digital platform that we've created together with Devoteam and Ometa, we now have the ability to automate our production flow, where in the past the planning team had to create orders themselves, and now we are transitioning to a pull system where these orders are created automatically based on the global demands.
Once the digitization journey was advanced enough, my data team came into action in order to modernize the data platform of Dymo and bring every data needed from the on-prem systems to the cloud. Using the Microsoft Azure technologies and our pipeline approach, we built a scalable and flexible data platform. On that data platform, we can provide actionable insights thanks to dynamic Power BI reports. Modernizing the data platform in the cloud allows us to be ready for new capabilities, for instance, real-time streaming of data thanks to Microsoft Fabric.
Having real-time data available in our production gives us actionable insights where we can adjust our current processes instead of looking at them after the fact. With the rise of AI, we see huge potential in linking all of the information we already have and create AI agents, create predictive maintenance and analysis tools for the end users to further optimize and streamline their workload.
Devoteam really understands the needs of the customer, and they are very flexible in making our dreams come true.